the games in her mind. The things she will say and the things she will find. We'll keep pressing play, keep pressing rewind. Stuck in a loop, make grind, yo, but it's fine. Cause it's a new day in the city. A welcoming committee for the pretty and the gritty. Here kitty, looking so witty. Come and get heavy, come and look silly. We all in the zoo, we are domesticated. Just like your fruit, but more complicated. Kinda overrated, underestimated, interrelated. Now the love's translated.
The sky is forever. The sky is forever.
Clatter is getting fatter by the second. We boast the most as we approach Armageddon. The city's a pity of the infinity we getting. So I zoom out and I fall into a dream. My shadow shouts and my eyes begin to scream, but I just let go, no need to intervene. The mothers of colors combobulate into a dream. Now I find myself on a whole new level. Solid is the sound and liquid is the treble. My mind is the truth, my body is the vessel. I'm totally at one, no need to be a rebel. I just lie